Find the value of sine 120. Sine 120 is equal to sine 1 into 90 plus 30 is equal to, here 1 into 90, 90 plus 30 is equal to 120. Multiple of 90 is 1, that is odd number. For odd number, sign changes to cos, that is cos 30. Next, sine 120 belongs to in which quadrant? So for that, you take multiple of 90 is 1 plus theta, that is 1 plus 1, 2, that is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine 120, sine positive, so take plus. Next, cos 30 value, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. Find the value of cos 150. Cos 150 is equal to cos 1 into 90 plus 60 is equal to 1 into 90 plus 60 is equal to 150. Multiple of 90 is 1. So odd number. For odd number, cos changes to sine. Then theta is 60. Sine 60. So coming to quadrants, belongs to in which quadrant? For that, take multiple of 90 is 1. 1 plus theta, that is 1 plus 1, 2. That is in second quadrant. Second quadrant, cos negative, take minus. Sine 60 value, sine 60 root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 is your answer. Find the value of tan 330. First step, divide 330 by 90. 330 divided by 90. So 93 is 270. 330 minus 270, that is 60. Tan 330 is equal to tan 3 into 90 plus theta, that is 60, is equal to, here multiple of 90 is 3, odd number. For odd number, tan changes to cot, theta is 60, cot 60. For quadrant, here multiple of 90 is 3 plus theta, 3 plus 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, tan minus is equal to cot 60. Cot 60 value, cot 60. That is 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Find the value of tan 855. Divide 855 by 90. 855 divided by 90. 90 9s are 8, 10, 45. Tan 855 is equal to tan 9 into 90 plus theta 45 is equal to, here multiple of 90 is odd number, that is 9. Odd multiple, for odd number, tan changes to cot 45. For quadrant, here you take 9 plus 1, that is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 855 is in second quadrant. Tan minus is equal to cot 45 value, cot 45, 1 minus 1. Find the value of secant 13 pi by 3. 13 pi by 3 is equal to 13 into pi value 180, 13 into 180 by 3. 3 ones are 360s. is equal to 6 3 is 18, 1 carry, 6 1 is 6 plus 1, 7 0, 780. 780 divided by 90, 98 is 720. 780 minus 720, 60. Secant 13 pi by 3 is equal to secant 8 into 90 plus 60. 8 into 90 plus 60 is equal to, here multiple of 90 is 8, even multiple. For even multiple, secant only. So secant theta value 60. Secant 60. Coming to the quadrant, here multiple of 90 is 80. Multiple of 90 is 8 plus theta. 8 plus 1, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First quadrant. In first quadrant, secant theta plus secant 60 value, that is 2. Find the value of sine 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3 is equal to 5 into pi value 180. 180 by 3. 3 ones are 360s is equal to 560s 300. Sine 5 pi by 3 is equal to sine 300 is equal to sine 3 into 90, that is 270, plus 30 is equal to 300. Multiple of 90 is 3, odd number. For odd number, sign changes to cos theta, cos 30. So 3 plus 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In fourth quadrant, sine 300 minus is equal to cos 30 value. Cos 30, that is root 3 by 2, minus root 3 by 2.